Hey y'all, it's Linda. Hey my BBL crew. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a plastic surgery look. My baby daddy does not like the looks that he paid for. I mean, the lips is killer. I just got out of surgery. I feel like I look beautiful. I was able to keep this poppin' ass eyeshadow on. And I'm not bleeding too much, you know. Chloe, Kylie, Kim, y'all better watch out because Linda is on her way. I done got my titties done because I'm not breastfeeding no more. Got the nails done. I got the face done. Just wait for me to heal, the swelling to go down. And tune in to see how I got this look for Halloween, y'all. Because if a bitch did, she be bomb. Period, sis. Period. Alright, so here we go. So I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with cocoa liner. It's just one I got from the beauty supply. I got these lips from Party City. They're just some fake plastic surgery lips, and I just use some liquid latex. Get the adhesive that they sell in the store. I was being cheap and didn't want to get it because I was already getting liquid latex, so I just used the liquid latex. But just make it easier on yourself and don't do that. Just get the adhesive, and it comes with the remover, so there you go, everything you got. And so I'm just lining that baby up, line it up, line it, you know, y'all remember that song, Line It by Cat, wind it, wind it, wind it up, wind it up. That's not how it went, but that's all I can remember. And she was like, oh, whoa. But anyways, that's what you want to do with your lips. You want to line that shit up. So now I'm just taking this purple lipstick by NYX. I don't know the name of it. It's like Transverse or something like that. And it's really pretty. And now I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm just doing what I got to do with that lipstick. Putting it all over them lips. Everywhere. Anyways. Getting it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Get in it. Well, fill it up, baby. Fill them lips with that lipstick, y'all. Don't worry about it being perfect, especially the lining you can go through, but later with some concealer and line that up nicely. And I'm just lining it up. I gotta stop blocking the camera with my mirror.
I was telling you that earlier.
Oh. I'm so in my zone, y'all. I wasn't paying nobody no attention. I was in my zone. And I'm filling them in. My husband gonna be like, I don't like the lips. And I'm just like, I'm supposed to look like I had plastic surgery. Like, that's the whole point of this look. That's why the lips are overzealous. I don't know. So now I'm just probably going through with a lighter purple and just blended that in to give my lips more depth and dimension. Just take that, let it go. I actually normally do this lipstick combo on the regular. Purple's my favorite color. But the goal I did purple is to make my lips look, you know how when you get your lips done and they're bruised and they're purple and like not black but bluish and a dark berry color like blackberries. That's the look I was going for right there. And later on in the video you'll see me add blood and stuff. I should have added some black, but I didn't have any other than that grease makeup I used. Now I'm just taking a more pastel purple and putting it in the center to get that final look of dimension. You never just want to use one color. You want to use multiple shades of that color to give you depth and dimension to make things more realistic. Fun fact, I used the same lipstick on my eyes to get that purple. I don't know why my forehead looks so white. I think it's the lighting. I gotta figure that shit out. You know, I'm not a big lighting person. A bitch will take a picture in the sun and call it a day. So this lighting thing is new. It's amazing though. It's very amazing. I can't see what I'm doing because of this recording on iMovie. Now I'm just taking some powder and pressing that in just to set it. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at it with the back at it. I accidentally stopped recording. This is my first time using this, so bear with you, girl, bear with me. So now I'm going in and adding the plastic surgery effect. I'm just taking some black grease makeup that I got from Spirit Halloween, and I'm just kind of going, I watched a couple YouTubes on how to do this, but I definitely need to get a better black smudger. I might get a black eyeliner and use that next time, but you know, for my first time, I'm really proud of myself. I actually sat down and recorded. I got everything. I spent too much money getting everything because I want to do a few looks and I just want to get myself out there. I feel like there's not enough black girls in special effects. We are definitely out there. We are popping, and yeah, watch your girl. Because I feel like special effects is such an amazing industry. It's amazing. It's awesome. There's so many things that I love about watching movies and just seeing how the special effects artists did certain things. So now I'm just going and making little stitch lines all over my mouth. I'm being extra dramatic because that's the effect I want. I want this to look fake. I want it to look overzealous. So I'm just going everywhere that I think. If I were to get plastic surgery, these are just probably some places I would get it done. I would honestly not go under the knife unless I had to. I'm scary, so I don't even like going to the dentist, getting a tooth pulled, getting a root canal. I don't like being numbed. When I had my son, I got an epidural, and I was so high, it was ridiculous. I couldn't get out the bed, so that's not working with me. Now I'm just going down my chin. I have a strong jawline. Thanks to my mama. Shout us out, because we still cute. But I'm just kind of doing that. I got some Studio Fix foundation sticks that I really wanted to try, and they were on sale for like $7, so I had to get it. And the foundation I didn't get quite dark enough to my liking. I like my contour to be snatched, okay? I try to hide them jaws. I try to make that double chin disappear. So it wasn't really giving me that effect. So I just took some of my CoverGirl one that I use and mixed it in. But, bro, I liked how well they blended out. So now I'm just going under my chin, down my neck. I'm going across my boobs. I stuffed my boobs with just some Kleenex. Whoa, excuse me. But yeah, I just stuffed my boobs with some tissue and called it a day. It really looked like I gave myself a boob job, but I didn't. I'm probably like a C cup. It looked like I got double D's. Like, word. So now I'm just going and making it look like I got a facelift. Now I'm going through and doing my forehead. Oh my god, y'all.
Editing your video, huh?
So I'm just going through and still adding some lines, just adding them where they need to go, not doing much of anything else. I'm just filling in my nose. My eyebrows are naturally uneven, so those aren't even going to be even on my best day. That's how you know I'm real. I'm not a bot. My mama and daddy made me the old-fashioned way. Now I'm going through, and I think this is fake blood, and I'm about to go through and add some blood. I fucked up, and I couldn't repost my video because YouTube doesn't allow you to post longer than 15 minutes, I guess, and this is my first video. So that's what we're doing here. I can honestly speed this part up, so I'm going to stop this voiceover and start a new one and speed everything up. Alright, and I'm just going through, adding more blood, more gore on them fat juicy lips right there. And I'm just adding it in random spots, not trying to be too perfect. Just like places you know you're kind of gonna bleed. If you know yourself, you know where you bleed. I'm not a big bleeder, I'm a bruiser. I went through, and I don't know if I did that already, but I'm taking a sponge now with some blood on it. And just making the last few marks. I don't think I'm gonna have music. I want y'all just to listen to my voice, because I'm that bitch. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how to add music, and I don't feel like figuring it out right now. Okay. Boom, boom, bow, bow. I love that TikTok. Nikki, my girl. And now I believe, what am I doing? I'm going through with this blue sparkle eyeshadow and just adding like hints of blue places to make things look a little bruised. I really love how my eyeshadow came out. I want to do that as a normal look. I'm trying to make this like plastic surgery but glam. That's why my eyes are like sparkly. So instead of it looking bruised, it looks like I have eyeshadow on. And my lips, instead of it looking like, you know, how when girls get their lips overdone, it's like purple and blue when they don't have any makeup on. That's what I was going for. Yes. Yes, girl, yes. Yes. Bam. Ow. Check me out. Check me out. Yes, girl. Boom. Hit it. Bam. Boom, bow. Yes. Here's a little eyeshadow clip I found where I'm just talking about the eyeliner I'm about to use, and I just wanted y'all to see the look before I added all the bottom lash. Now here are some pictures that I took. I hope you like them. I'm trying to look sad. I'm not a big picture taker, so you know, my side profile. Ooh, them lips. The front. The pictures I took at the doctor's office. The back. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you for tuning into my video. I hope you enjoy the photos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I will be back at it with the Back at It, my BBL crew.